Ready? Lean your head back.
Twice a month, inside their Tennessee home, Mendy McNulty swabs the nose of her 7-year-old son, Andrew.
1, 2.
They're among some 2,000 families across 11 U.S. cities in a DIY COVID experiment. Researchers want to study any COVID spread within households, hoping to learn about how school-aged children transmit the coronavirus.
It's uncomfortable.
It's comfortable.
It's not
And
comfortable.
sort of tickles.
But these test participants will never see a researcher in person. Instead, test supplies are mailed to their homes.
These families are remarkable in that they are doing the sampling themselves. So a kit arrives at their doorstep, and all of the supplies are in these kits.
Vanderbilt University professor of medicine, Tina HARTERT, is leading this study.
It's important because of opening daycare centers and schools and protecting our children and the individuals who work with our children in the schools. And so understanding and knowing their role in transmission is important for these reasons.
Scientists pick test subjects like the McNultys from previous government research participants. They get text messages asking about symptoms and reminding them to collect samples and then fill out questionnaires. From there, they collect their own nasal swabs for COVID-19 tests to mail in. Less often, their own stool or blood samples.
So this actually is just like a little button, and it goes on the side of your arm. You press the button and there's a collection tube here, and you wait. I think it's 2 minutes, and the tube fills, and then it's done.
The study could help determine schools' procedures during the pandemic, but results aren't expected before the end of this year. For Newsy, I'm Lindsay Thies.